Streak CRM helps busy Gmail users manage any process: sales, partnerships, hiring, fundraising, and more, so they can stop jumping between tabs or applications. In this review, I'll show you what the tool actually does, how key features like zero-context switching, email power-ups, and AI integration fit into real workflows, and who this makes sense for, plus where Streak falls short. Now, let's get started. Part 1. Pros and the so what. The first standout is the zero-context switching. When you open an email, you instantly see the pipeline stage, the last time you touched a deal, and any notes from your teammates without leaving the thread. You will instantly have the full context of an opportunity right in your inbox. Second, the email power-ups are baked right into the interface. You get email tracking to see exactly when a lead opens up your message, mail merge for sending personalized outreach with automatic follow-ups, and snippets for those repetitive replies. This is important because it replaces the need for separate subscriptions like Yesware or MailChimp. But the real secret weapon as of today is the LinkedIn lead capture. You can now pull a prospect's data directly from their LinkedIn profile into your CRM with one click. Now, this is helpful because it saves you hours of manual copy-pasting every single week. Finally, the AI integration has moved Streak into Copilot territory. The Streak AI now handles meeting summaries via your calendar recordings and offers deal Q&A where you can ask, what do they need to move forward, and get an instant answer from your email history. This provides a massive productivity boost. While Streak uses leading AI LLM models, they've tuned them specifically for your Gmail data. Streak's AI autofill feature automatically scans your email threads and updates your CRM where appropriate. This matters because it eliminates the data entry dread that causes most CRMs to fail. If updating a lead happens automatically instead of taking 2 minutes, you will actually do it, ensuring your pipeline data is actually accurate. Early reports suggest this can get your manual logging 90% of the way to being fully automated. Part 2. Cons and the reality check. Now, no tool is a perfect fit for every single team, so let's look at where Streak has some limits. The first thing to keep in mind is the reporting depth. Streak does a great job with pre-built summaries that cover the 80-20 rule for most small teams. But if you're a part of a data-heavy organization that needs multi-object dashboards or advanced revenue forecasting, you might find it a bit light compared to a powerhouse like Salesforce. This means you're essentially choosing day-to-day speed in your inbox over high-level data crunching. The second thing to consider is the platform commitments. Streak's superpower is that it is built natively for Gmail, but that also means it's a Google-only solution. If your team ever decides to switch to Microsoft Outlook or another email provider, the CRM interface won't follow you. You're effectively going all in on the Google ecosystem, which is great for a seamless workflow, but limits your flexibility if you ever plan to leave Google Workspace. Finally, we have to talk about system overhead. Because Streak is a feature-rich overlay that lives directly inside Gmail, it can be a bit demanding on your browser. If you're managing a massive database with millions of entries, you might notice the sidebar takes a few extra beats to appear when you first open up your inbox. For most users, it's a fair trade-off for the convenience of never leaving your email. But if you are a power user who needs everything to load instantly, that little extra wait time is something to keep an eye on during your trial when you load in your real data. Part 3. The workflow and UI. Now, in terms of daily life, Streak feels like a clean extension of your current habits, not a cockpit of a 747. The UI is intuitive because it uses a familiar spreadsheet-style rows and columns right inside your inbox. You can customize these columns for deal size, priority, or next steps, and use color-coded stages to see exactly where your money is sitting at a glance. The learning curve is almost non-existent for basic use. You're looking at a setup time of 5 to 10 minutes. There is no painful training process or week-long onboarding required. You just install the Chrome extension, sign in with Google, and your pipelines are ready to go. They even added an AI pipeline creator that lets you describe your business in plain English, like, I'm a wholesale coffee roaster, to build your entire workflow automatically. It's truly the closest thing to a plug-and-play in the CRM world today. Now, if you already have an idea that you would like to give Streak CRM a try, The link for it is in the description. It's my affiliate link, which helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. If you're on the fence, they do offer a 14-day free trial to test drive the actual CRM workflows completely risk-free before committing to a plan. Now let's look at how this actually fits into your existing tech stack with integrations. Part 4. Ecosystem and integrations. Streak is a Google-first citizen through and through. It integrates natively with the entire Google Workspace, including Docs, Sheets, Drive, and even Google Chat, making it a perfect fit for teams already living in that ecosystem. However, it isn't a connect-to-everything natively kind of platform. For the big three, Slack, Google, Zapier, the experience is actually getting better. Forget Zapier for basic alerts. Streak has now native Slack automation, automatically ping a Slack channel when a box hasn't moved in a week, or when a deal reaches closed won, along with Google Forms, Typeform, and Calendly, and half a dozen others, all natively, all without a separate Zapier subscription. Now, that said, if you want to connect to things like Trello or Asana, you will still likely rely on Zapier or Make. The good news is that these connections are generally stable. You won't deal with a re-login every morning nightmare. Just be aware, if you need complex automation beyond these few partners, you will likely be paying for a Zapier subscription on top of your CRM costs. Part 5. Price and the competition. The Pro feature that most businesses need starts at $49 per user per month when billed annually, $59 if you pay month to month. If you want advanced permissions, robust automations, and deeper reporting, the Pro Plus tier jumps to $69 per user per month on an annual billing. Let's do the math compared to its biggest rival, HubSpot. HubSpot's starter tier is often cheaper for basic CRM needs, starting around $15 per user, but it lacks the deep Gmail integration that makes Streak fast. You will notice, however, that the add-ons quickly add up on HubSpot as your team grows. Streak prices itself simply with just 3 plans effectively. Streak also recently released their AI features onto all plans, formerly just on the Pro Plus plan only, on a credit-based system. Each plan gets a set amount of monthly credits to use these highly effective AI features, and you can purchase more at any point. Part 6. The verdicts. So, is Streak CRM worth it? Well, if you are a founder, lean team like an agency or recruiter, or a seller within a larger organization who just wants to superpower their selling and whose entire professional life happens inside Gmail, then yes, it's a buy. The speed of adoption and the ergonomics of the interface will save you hours of administrative headache. I highly encourage you to start with their 14-day free trial of the Pro Plus plan to try it for yourself. However, if you're a large sales team that needs deep data reports, complex out-of-the-box integrations, or you have enterprise-wide security and compliance requirements, you might consider something else. Even though Streak is a Google Premier partner trusted by over 750,000 professionals, it intentionally stays lightweight to keep your workflow fast and simple. For bigger operations, platforms like HubSpot or Salesforce might be a better fit. They are specifically built for heavy marketing automation and scaling as you go beyond the inbox. Alright, if you found this video helpful and are planning to try Streak CRM for free, remember to use my link in the description below to help support the channel. If you have specific questions about your unique workflow or how to set up your first pipeline, drop them in the comments so we can help you out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.